Welcome to part 3. In this part, we will learn about multimedia tag. So let's continue. So in this third part, we are going to learn about some basic HTML multimedia tags like video tag, audio tag, and embed or iframe tag. So let's start with the video tag. So for the video tags, you will have to write video tag like this, and inside the opening tag of video you will have to use the controls attribute as it provides some basic functionality of videos like play, pause, volume up and down. And here you can also use the width and height attributes, like here I am using the 30% for width and 40% for height. And inside video tags you will have to use the source tag, single source tag with src, as we have used in image tag. So I have one video named digicon intro with .mp4 extension, so I will write it here. Save the file, refresh the browser. As you can see here, the video box with its basic video control features due to control attribute. Now let's test the video by clicking on the play button. Video is working fine. Now let's move on the audio tag. Audio has the same structure, tag structure like video. Just you will have to give the audio file name with its extension. Like here I have the .mp3 tag of file on my way. Save the file, refresh the browser. As you can see here, the audio box with its control features of volume, play and pause. Now let's test the audio. Yes, it's working fine. Stop it. Now move on the third tag, that is embed or iframe tag. If you want to share some online videos on your website like YouTube videos, Dailymotion, Vimeo and so on, so you will have to copy their embed code and simply paste it where you want. Like go to YouTube, open any video, click on share button, click on embed, copy the embed code by pressing Ctrl+C. And paste it where you want. Save the file, refresh the browser. As you can see, the YouTube embed video.
Note has always.
So that's the material of third part. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to practice this all material one by one. Goodbye and take care.